What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to share with you guys my experience of promoting my website using a yard sign. Not many of you know that I have a new website where I write articles on how to start businesses or side hustles to generate extra income. If you want to check it out, the link is going to be here and also in the description below. Today, we're not going to talk about my website, we're going to talk about my experience of promoting my website using a yard sign. And everything started with a crazy idea. So I was waiting at a red light and saw a yard sign on the side of the road. See that little sign? I need one of those. I need one of those. I've seen many of these yard signs on the side of the road, but I've never seen a single one promoting a website. So here is where my idea was born. The idea is very simple. I'm going to create one of those signs, put it on a corner or on a street with high volume traffic, and then we're gonna get traffic from the street to our website. Genius! I have my genius idea. Now the next step is to get some more information about these signs, starting with the size. I drove a few blocks away and I found another one, and I'm gonna get the size. Here we are. This is 18 by 24. Got it. I have the size. Now I need to find a place where I can print it. I set a banner on a fence that said stickers and banners and signs and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna try to get the number to call them. I made an illegal U-turn and went back to get the number. Now it's time to make a phone call. I called the place and I have the information that I need. Now it's time to work on the design. The guy was very professional and gave me all the information that I need. And also the price was good. So instead of calling around to get some more prices, I decided to work with him. Now it's time to spend a few hours on the computer to make my design. I don't really know what I want or how I want it. So in this case, Google is the best place to start and get some ideas. To be honest, this took way longer than I was expecting, mainly because I wanted something different, some sort of smart sign. So I did it. I'm finally done with my design. Let me show you. Here is my final design. Let me close this and open this. Bam. And I also have this, so you guys have a better idea on how it's going to look. But wait, let me show you the best part. If I grab my phone, open the camera, see this notification right here, click. Beautiful. Yes, I included a QR code. So if everything goes as planned, people walking by my sign, they can just simply scan the code and bam, they're going to be redirected to my website. Now I just need to send it to the guy so he can print it. I just wrote the email. Here's my image and let's click send. We are done here. Now all we need to do is wait 24 hours to pick it up. Great, I just received a text message saying that it is ready to pick it up. I told the guy that I was gonna be there at 12:30, but I'm running late, so I need to hurry up. Now that I think about it, I don't know if this is going to be legal because I've never seen a single sign on the side of the road promoting a website. Is it legal? Good question. This question just came to my mind. I am not sure if what we're about to do is legal, so I need to ask someone. Hello, is this the unit 2 or? Okay, I came to pick up the sign. Is the entrepreneur? I asked the guy if this was illegal and he said that it is not illegal to put yard signs on the side of the road. All depends on the city. Some of them are more strict and remove the signs. Some of them send you violations and some of them don't bother you at all. In my city, they're not that strict, so he said that I should be fine. I feel better after talking to him, but I can't wait to test my QR code, so I need to pull over. Okay, the moment that I've been waiting for. Let's see if this thing works. It works! It works! Yes, I'm super happy. Now I need to take some pictures for my record and then let's go to put it on the first location. Time to wait for the results. Not very good news. My sign it's not doing great. I need to move it to another location. Before doing this experiment, I removed all of my website links from my social media and also from my YouTube channel, and I stopped promoting. I wanted to get all the traffic just coming from my sign. So that way it's a bit easier to keep track of. As you guys can see, my website traffic has been lower since I stopped promoting it. Today is the first day promoting only using my sign, but it's not doing great. I need another location. I just remembered a valuable piece of information that the sign guy told me. A location that has worked very well for him.
You know what's really worked well for me when it comes to those little signs is Home Depot. Home Depot.
Let's go to Home Depot. We're across the street from Home Depot, and I believe that corner right there, that's the good spot to put our sign. We have some competition. I think that this is going to be a good place. That's good. Okay, let's go. This is a perfect location because people usually stops here, and then look at that, the sign is there. They can easily read it. That's perfect. We have the sign on the location. Now it's time to wait for the results. It is the next day and I have not very good news again. It is not driving traffic to my website. Not even crickets are visiting my website. I was expecting a crazy amount of traffic, but nope, it's not happening. I didn't pick up the sign yesterday, and today I'm gonna drive by to see if it's still there. Okay, we're good. It's still there. I see it. It's been windy today, so the thing is moving like crazy. My sign is still there, everything good, but I'm still not getting that traffic. So I decided to leave it there a couple more days. Not very good decision. Someone stole my sign. Well, I have not very good news. The sign is gone. It's gone. I don't see it. I looked behind the bushes, across the street, all around that area, and since it's been windy, I looked over the empty lot, but nothing. It disappeared. Someone removed it! Where's my sign? It sucks, that sucks, that's not good. No wonder I was getting zero traffic from it. Someone stole it, or maybe the city came to pick it up. It sucks because I wanted to move it to another location where it had more potential. I even drove by the place where the sign guy had his banner, and this is what I found. Nothing, they removed his banner as well. This tells me that the city removed all of the banners and signs in this area, so I don't feel that bad because I was not the only one. Am I going to make another one? I don't know. Comment down below if I should make another one and do a part 2. That's it for today. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe.